Go. Click, clap, pull it. Click, clap, pull it. Click, click.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is a tutorial of Cadence 350 software and in this tutorial we saw how to add, how to copy, move, delete tool work in CAM 350 software. So first we open CAM 350 software and now I am import one Gerber for our reference or our tutorial. Import. So in this tutorial we saw how to work, move, copy, delete, rotate, mirror, undo and redo. So first we start with move. In this software sometimes we need a move, sometimes we need to use function like move, copy, delete, rotate and mirror also for making a netlist or anything on this software. So first we start with move. If I want to move this Gerber, then we click on move. Then after click on move, we get this we saw this line. It is L0. This is my angle. Here we have option L0, L90, L45 and L0. So I am set L0 and we have here we all moving decode is a draw, flash, drill, mill is all are on, and here we have three options. First is filter, second is preview and third is select. If I am a press on select, then all Gerber are selected, and if I am a press on preview, then it is selected area. And filter is for the some specific decode a specific draw line for this. So here we use preview. I am click on preview and after this I am select my area which I am want to move. So if I want to move this one decode, so I may click on it and first select it, and after that I may click right click one time and click on it and take it here. So I may move it. After that I may press escape for end this command. If I want to move this all, then I may go on edit, move, select preview and second time select some decode for move. After select that I may click anywhere, click my right click, then click one time one click and take it and click here. So I may move this all decode. So this is a work of move function. If any Gerber we don't want any decode and it is additional decode or it is not used in our Gerber, then we move it or delete it. So our second function is copy. So if I want to the copy any function, then we go on copy and same here L0 option, and same here we all on draw, flash, drill, mill, and here we have three options: filter, preview and select. So we take preview and in preview I am already select all this already selected, so I am directly right click on it and take from center and it is copy. So I am copy it. So this is a command copy, and we have upper set two option undo and redo. For undo click on it, or also shortcut of undo is Ctrl Z. By default we make mistake in editing of Gerber, then we use undo function for the previous step. So undo and redo, it's redo. So undo, redo, move, copy, and now we see the delete function. If you want to delete any decode or any draw flash, then we use delete, and for the delete we click on delete. Here we get SMS function, but we select preview, press on home, and I must select new preview of all of this. I must select all and press enter and OK. So it is use of delete. Now we have, after delete, we have two options, rotate and mirror. If this rotate is used in most of production house because of size. If in any Gerber the X size and Y X size is different, and we want to if we want X size is maximum or Y size is maximum, then we use rotate. If here my in this Gerber, here my Y size, Y axis is big, this is my Y axis, this is Y axis, and this is my X axis. So here the X axis is short compared to this Y axis. So if I want to make Y axis greater, Y axis high, then I am rotate it at 90 angle. So my X axis is big and Y axis is short. So for this I am rotate this, and for rotate we go on rotate, and here we select all and click on it. So it is a rotate process. Now here my X axis value is high and Y axis value is low. So this is use of rotate on editing on Gerber. After this we have one option is mirror. Mirror is used. In mirror we mirror all Gerber, as we take example, if in top side we have always the readable texts, and in bottom side we always seen the mirror of texts. Sometime we need our Gerber in the mirror, then we take a mirror of this Gerber. For the mirror, we saw one legend layer. Here our all texts are mirror. It's not readable, mean it is a bottom side LP, so the all texts are a mirror. So if I want to the mirror it and all text is make to readable, then I may use mirror function on this Gerber. So first I am going edit, take mirror, and I want to the all Gerber mirror, so I am selected all, and here we have two options, one mirror axis in vertical and second is horizontal. So first I may take vertical. So in vertical, this Gerber is rotate from right to left or left to right. In vertical, right to left or left to right. So this portion is come to here and this portion is come here. So we click on it. So it is vertical, and we take a look. Now this all text are readable. GND mean ground plus 5 volt, D16 diode number 6, Q2 crystal oscillator here, and so this LP is now readable for our production. So sometimes we need the legend printing to make mirror. Now we have here second option, and it's a horizontal. So I am click on horizontal, and now I am select all, and this is my horizontal. So in this um, uh, in this area, up to down and down to up. So this portion is come here, and all this is come to downside. So we take a look. So this is my mirror font or mirror text, because I may take a second time mirror. So this is use of mirror and how to work a mirror function in this software. So thank you guys.